In this video, we will be doing algebra from geometry in 3D, which is slightly harder than 2D, but it's not terrible. So first, angle WGH is a straight angle. Angle WGH. In 2D, you can assume a straight angle. In 3D, it's a bit harder because of the orientation of the line. Next, EG and GR are in plane M. EG and GR are in plane M over here. Next, measure of angle WGE is 12x plus 18. So we're going to put this on the diagram over here, 12x plus 18. Then measure of angle HGE is 19x minus 24. HGE is 19x minus 24. Solve for x. The next question is, what equation are we going to make? You might be tempted just to set this angle measure equal to this angle measure. You don't want to do that because we're not guaranteed the WH is perpendicular to plane M. Let's say we have a line that we know is perpendicular to plane M. What's to say another one is like that and it's not just slightly off kilter? What we definitely can do is remember that angle WGH is a straight angle, and a straight angle has a measure of 180. So then 12x plus 18 plus 19x minus 24 equals 180. From there, 31x minus 6 equals 180. So then 31x equals 186. And that leaves us with x equals 6. So plugging 6 back in, we'll write it in green. 6 times 12 is 72 plus 18 is 90 degrees. And then 6 times 19 is 114 minus 24 is 90 degrees again. So we've solved for x, and x is 6, and it does turn out that each angle is 90 degrees. Now, the reason we did that was so that we can use it for the next one. What is the measure of angle HGR and which theorem is used? We will come over this way and do this in orange. You'll notice that WH passes through plane M at G, so that is the foot of WH through plane M, and then EG goes through G and RG goes through G. So remember the line plane foot theorem. If a line WH is perpendicular to a plane M, then it is perpendicular to any line in that plane that goes through its foot. GR does go through the foot at G, therefore it is perpendicular to WH. So then this angle, HGR, is 90 degrees. And that is the entire question. Again, 3D is very hard to see at first. Go through it several times, you will get it.